Good morning, YouTube. How y'all doing? This is a video basically showing, well, this is at 14 lead, but we're basically showing the aftermath of the major snowstorm that hit us. And our total amounts were about what, Dan? About
we got 5 inches at my house.
5 inches. Some places could have varied up to maybe 7 inches. Some places got 11 inches out of this storm. If you can see the ground there. Where are you going? Oh, you're okay. Hi. What do you think about all that snow? And anyways, I can go ahead and show you the tracks here. This is the tracks. You can't even see the rails. From here to here, it's nothing basically. And I know y'all want to see snow shots. We just missed 35 in. It had NS 50. It had NS 5544. And we missed that. It's going to be hard for us to actually maneuver in this. And I just want to state that if you don't see too many videos, you know why. I'll do my best for you. I got 267 for you. And Dan's getting some pictures of those cement cars there that they haul in there. And they haul grain and all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to make it into a confrontation, but that's what Daniel said. I believe they're both, they can both haul concrete and grain. But anyway, that's the story here. And boy, that looked like somebody familiar. That guy right there almost looked like an engineer for the railroad almost. But yeah, we got about maybe 7 inches here, and in some areas it's up to 10 inches, and it's not very good for Alpine. It's just not good. You get a picture of those cars?
Yeah, I got one dirty and one clean, so I can put my trains in.
Okay. And if you guys know the MSTS game, Microsoft Train Simulator, we make engines and cars. Daniel basically does that. And it makes engines and cars. We got all the Heritage Pack along with the Salt Lakes and the Bush. And yeah, so we are currently working on the NS Brooklyn for Microsoft Train Simulator. And what do you got done? You're working on Staunton right now, ain't you?
I don't got anything. I got to pick some kind of Ford DESC file, and then I'll be working on it. And look for good details. Plan on having the ambulance shed put in exactly the same. And it should all look...
This guy right here, he knows what he's doing, so he tells me what to do.
Whatever you see through here, you should probably see on the route.
Yeah, there you go.
And if you don't, it's probably because I just didn't care.
yeah, you can, if you want snow, you can add it yourself. We ain't gonna put 7 inches of snow on the ground, so if you want snow, you go ahead and add it.
Yeah, you just put it on the snow setting.
We can do it either way.
The only snow you'll see is on the cars that I put in sandblast. Otherwise, you won't see.
Right now, we're currently working on what units are you actually doing right now?
Work unit-wise?
Unit-wise, yes.
I'm working on my own SD70M UPs. And I got myself. Next project I'll work on is some UP SD60Ms. And I'm going to buy the Streamlines UP set, and I'm going to skin those units
Well, what are you doing? Look at this guy right here. That's
careful, it's cold.
That's Mr. Jacob right there.
You don't have to shoot all of everybody in there.
Yeah.
I really didn't want you to pan the camera at me.
Well, I'm sorry. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what we got here. I don't want to make this a big deal, but if you like snow, then...
In about 10 years, be looking for my route, but...
Yeah, 10 years, be looking for the route.
20 years tops.
Okay, well, I think you've seen as much white as you can possibly get. We got off of school Friday, so that's probably the only good thing that came out of this. Got the whole day off. And we still didn't catch anything on Friday because snow was too deep, so... Anyways, that's what's happening in Staunton, so have a nice white day, and if you don't have snow, then you're lucky.
In a way.
Yeah, in a way.